Good morning. Welcome to the K Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Thursday, March 16th, 2023.
Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated.
Today's weather: high 74, low 65, mostly sunny, 8% chance of rain.
We still currently have no breakfast menu, but for lunch we have turkey roast, collard greens, black-eyed peas, cornbread, milk, and juice.
March 15th and 16th birthdays: Markle, Michelle Simpsons, Wayne Johnson, Zaya Argino, sorry if I pronounced, David Cullum, happy birthday. Sorry if I pronounced your last name wrong.
Today's announcements. This week, ACAP alternate students will be testing Ms. Stewart's office across from the nurse's station. Please be mindful of noise level when transitioning in the hallway and when having conversations near that area. Third quarter parent contact logs are due to Ms. Gibbs on Teacher Workday, Monday, March the 20th. ACAP summative. Testing begins on March 21st. We will hold individual ACAP goal-setting meetings with students beginning next week. We want our students to realize the importance of doing their best on this state assessment. We are working on details for the incentive for our students who scored 3s and 4s on last year's assessments. Library circulation is closed this week due to the software changeover across the district.
Important dates: March 7th through 14th, ACAP alternate. March 16th, tutoring ends. March 17th, Cone Ice Day, third quarter ends. March 21st, Teacher Workday, no school. March 22nd, ACAP summary begins. March 27th, report cards go home. March 30th, first grade field trip. April 7th, third quarter honor walk. April 14th, Kona Ice and spring picnic.
Send us your questions. Are you curious about something? Well, you can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday.